Well, it's Monday, April 14th, and we're still talking about winter weather. A winter storm warning effective for Marquette and Alger counties until 11 Eastern. We also have a winter weather advisory for Luce, Schoolcraft, Delta, and Menominee counties. Those will begin to expire into our early afternoon. Also, some flooding concerns as we look downstate. Flood watches and warnings continue for several rivers across the lower peninsula. Temperatures cool this morning into the 20s, and you can see some of these warmer spots just trying to work around that freezing point. Manistee 32. But take a look at these gusty winds. A sustained wind of 31 miles an hour at K.I. Sawyer Airport. We have a peak wind gust above 40 miles an hour. Sawyer clocked at 45-mile-an-hour gust earlier this morning. So those winds are certainly howling as deep low pressure continues to drift north and east across the eastern Great Lakes. We will slowly watch a diminishing trend with the snow shower activity initially across those western counties. That is beginning to happen now, especially on these last couple of frames. Meanwhile, across south, central, and eastern upper Michigan, it's slow going as that low continues to push in. You can see it's warm enough for mainly rain, especially over northern lower Michigan, which is just what they don't need. They already have flooding concerns without the rain. They're picking up on 1 to 3 additional inches of rain through today. High pressure will slowly build in from the north and west, and that eventually brings clearing skies. But right now, that impressive high is battling it out with that deep low pressure system, and you can see lots of warm and rather humid air is lifting into that front side of the system. Some severe weather threats as we look further down towards that Mississippi River Valley. Cool enough for snow even into as far south as Oklahoma, even parts of Texas. So slow going today as high pressure eventually builds in. You can see that impressive cold air working into parts of the southern plains. In fact, it's warm enough in much of the southern and Great Lakes region for rain, as you saw, but quickly seeing the steep temperature contrast as we look further north and west. So here's the way today unfolds. Moisture is slow to pull away, and even once it does so, we keep these generally steady north to northwest winds. That keeps some lake effect action or lake enhanced cloud cover and snow shower activity into the overnight, and that may hinder our chances for seeing the full lunar eclipse tonight, which is supposed to peak into the early morning hours Tuesday. Nonetheless, if you're up and at 'em, maybe just try to peek out the window or step outside and see what you can see. We do expect at least partially clearing skies. You'll see that into your early Tuesday as high pressure builds in. Snow showers begin to wind down early Tuesday, and then Wednesday, a new low works in. That'll be rain initially, or I should say snow initially. It'll mix with rain as we work towards the second half of the work week, Thursday into Friday. Temperatures today cool. I think we will see slowly clearing skies across the far western UP. It's an early high as we look east into the 30s, but we will fall through the 20s as we wear through, especially this afternoon. Still watching partly to mostly cloudy skies, some spotty snow shower coverage, especially near Lake Superior. Tonight, as lows fall into the teens through your overnight hours. A cool day on your Tuesday. We do expect clearing skies. Temperatures struggle to see even 30 for a high. A good dose of snow, expecting 4 to 8 inches over portions of Marquette, Alger, and perhaps Luce counties. 3 to 5 as we look further south. We're thinking 2 to 4 as we look over much of the western UP into our early Tuesday. TV 6-day forecast, and this week, unfortunately, is of stark contrast to last week's pleasant weather. We struggle to break the freezing point for several days. Those overnights will be cool, though we do start to warm up towards the second half of the week. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.